On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is easy, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offers so that you can be making money from home. The traffic source that I'm going to be showing you in this video gets up to 70.23% of its visitors from the United States. You can see it right here. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. So just search for any affiliate network that you want and then join. In this case, we are going to be using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and then find digital products to promote. Digistore24, they pay through PayPal, they pay through direct deposit and many other methods. So this is one of the best platforms that you can use as a beginner to make money from home. So make sure you search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to click right here marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. You can see these are products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see this product. When you promote it and get a sale, you're going to be earning up to $475.31. The next one, you can see you're going to be earning $126.80 per every lead that you get. There are many of them. When you scroll down, you can see the next one, you're going to be earning $146.19 per every sale that you get. There are many offers on this platform, so you can scroll and then select any of them that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. So just scroll down and then select any of the offers that you want. These are the popular offers, so you can select any of these offers. If you don't want to promote the popular offers, you can search by categories and then select any product that you want. You can see right here they have digital products, so when you click on it, there are a lot of different subcategories of digital products. So any of these categories that you want, you can click on it and then select any product that you want so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products. Apart from the digital products, there are many other products. You can see they have services, they have physical products. When you click on the physical products, you can see they have about 7 skin products that you can promote. They also have about 135 supplements that you can promote. The best part is that most of the supplements have higher commission, so when you click on it, you will get to know the supplements that are available and the commission that you are going to earn for every sale that you get. You can see this one, we have already talked about it. You're going to be earning $126.80. When you scroll down, there are many other supplements that you can promote. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them, and you can see that the commission rate is very high. You can see a whole lot of them. You can scroll down to the button, click on page 2, click on page 3, up to page 14. Any page that you click on, you are going to find a physical product that you can promote to make money from home. In this case, I have already promoted one of the products, so I'm going to show you how to promote that product so that you can be earning commissions on Digistore24 as a beginner. You don't need to invest anything, so just pay attention. We are going to be promoting this product right here, Lean Bellies. It is a supplement that helps people to lose weight. You can see the conversion rate is very high. Apart from that, when you check the conversion rate, it is also high, 21%. The conversion rate is good, so when you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. Now, before you promote the product, if you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click on sales page so that you can get more information about the product. You can also click on the affiliate support page so that you can get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. So if you click on it, you get to know the resources. In this case, we are not going to be using any of the resources. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the sales page so that we can get more information about the product. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. This is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to read the information on the landing page very carefully before you promote it. What you need to do is that you have to get first-hand information about it before you can promote your potential customers. So just take time, read more about the product before you promote it. You can see they have bonuses. You can use this information to promote the product. When you are promoting it, you can promise people that when they purchase the product, they are entitled to 2 bonuses. You can see the different pricing packages. Just read everything about the product on the landing page so that you can understand before you promote it. You can see everything in the landing page. Once you have gotten some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. To get your affiliate link, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to click on it and then make a purchase for you to make money. There are free traffic sources that you can use, and there are also paid traffic sources that you can use. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link and then get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. The traffic source that we're going to use in today is Hercules.com. This is a free website where you can advertise your affiliate products for free. Any product that you have, you can advertise it on this website without paying for anything. But if you want a lot of traffic, what you have to do is that you have to upgrade your accounts so that you can be able to reach a lot of people who will click on your affiliate link and then make the purchase for you to earn money. One good thing about this website is that almost all the traffic is coming from the United States. So you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 70.23% of the traffic is coming from the United States. So it's a free quality traffic source that you can use to promote the product. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up. To sign up, it is free, so just click on sign up. Once you click on it, you can enter your details and then get access to a free account that you can use to promote your affiliate links. You can see you have to enter your first name, last name, and then tell them where you heard about them. In this case, you are going to enter YouTube. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, enter your password, enter your email address, click on this box and then enter the rest of the details. Once that is done, you can get access to a free account that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, Prime, click on it. Once you click on Prime, you're going to see a page like this. Click on Add Mailers. Once you click on Add Mailers, you're going to see a page like this. Just ignore the advertisement and then click on Continue to add mailers. Click on that. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Close the ad. Once that is done, you can see Submit an ad. You can submit an ad on this website, but they have a lot of rules that you have to follow so that your ad will not be deleted. So what you have to do is that you have to read all these rules. You can see the rules, what is allowed and what is not allowed. You can see everything. So just read through everything. Once you read about the rules, you can be able to publish an ad that does not abuse the rules. So make sure you read the rules before you post your ad. When you scroll down, you can see right here, you can post an ad. You can see there are 368,740 members to reach today. You can send an ad that will reach this number of people, but you have to pay so that your ad can reach this number of people. In this case, we are not going to pay for anything, so we are not targeting that number of people. We are targeting few people who can click on our ad and then purchase the product for us to make money. So you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see they have regular mailer and they have credit mailer. The regular mailer, you can post your ad for free, but the credit mailer you have to pay. In this case, we are going to be using the regular mailer. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the regular mailer, your ad is going to reach 1,000 people. It is good because when we get 1,000 people to click on our link for free and we are able to get up to 2 people who purchase the product, we can be making more than $300 per day. So it is good. Just post to the 1,000 people so that when you get sales, you can then upgrade to the credit mailer. So just leave it like this. Now once you know the difference between the credit mailer and the regular mailer, what you have to do is that you have to make your choice. In this case, we are using the regular mailer, so you have to begin entering the information about your ad. The information that is needed is a subject line, your affiliate link, and the body of the email that you want to send to the people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can use ChatGPT to write an email for you, or you can write it yourself. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I've already used ChatGPT to write my email, so I'm going to copy it and then paste it. So you can see this is the body of my email. Let me just highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy the body of your email, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a subject line. So just write any headline that you want. In this case, I have my headline and you can see it right here. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy your affiliate link and then paste it here so that when people read your message, they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once that is done, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on submit ad. Once you click on it, you can see ad successfully submitted to 1,000 people. Go back to mailer or view ad or get in. The message has been sent to 1,000 people and they are going to read your email. Once they read it, they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to click on view ad. So let me click on it so that we can see our ad. Let's click on continue to mail history. Once you click on it, you can see this is your ad. You can see the title and you can see the time that you submitted it. This is your ad. If you want, you can click on it so that you can see everything in the body of your message. You can see your ad. This is exactly what people are going to see when they click on your ad. When you scroll down, you can see everything. You can see your affiliate link is clickable. You can see it right here. So when the 1,000 people receive your message, they are going to see something like this. Once they read your message, if they are interested in the product, they have to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase. Once they make the purchase, you are going to be earning a commission on Digistore24. You can see everything in your ad. Now what you have to do is that you have to wait for 1 hour. Once you wait for 1 hour, you can post another ad onto the platform. Or if you want, you can upgrade. You can pay $2 to upgrade your accounts so that your ad can reach thousands of people. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.